Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am doing a Sunday reset. So I'm going to be cleaning. It's a clean all day with me video, but I was thinking of making this a part of my channel where I start doing weekend or Sunday reset videos just to kind of share cleaning, but also other things that I do to prepare for the week ahead. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more of these. And I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Normally on the weekends, we're trying to get things done around the farm, around the house, but lately we've been trying to get away for a bike ride, a hike, going away to the lake or the mountains just to kind of change scenery and get away as a family. This weekend, though, I needed to catch up on some projects, as did my husband on some outdoor projects, and he was also fixing a gas leak that we had. My boys are 7 and already almost 4, so they play really well together, so they were playing in their room. That does free up a little space for me to get stuff like this done. When they were babies, I did have a housekeeper, and that was very, very helpful, but I don't now, and I haven't for quite some time. So we all pitch in to just try to keep it as clean as possible, and we do touch-up cleaning, and it's a large space, so it definitely takes a full day. And then I have to do deep cleaning, of course, occasionally. So for the most part, I try to use homemade or natural cleaners for touch-ups throughout the home, but I will say that I reach for Clorox occasionally. I also reach for Barkeeper's Friend, both in the kitchen and also when I'm doing deep cleaning in the bathroom. So you have to do what works for you when it comes to cleaning. You know, if it were up to me, I wouldn't have chosen this tile for our bathroom, but we moved in with this tile, and it's hard to clean. Let's just say that. I would have chosen something that's a little easier to clean, but I'm very thankful for the shower. It's a beautiful shower. And so a few times a year, I come in with a really strong brush, and then I found so far that the only thing that really gets it looking clean is a liquid Barkeeper's Friend. Everything else I've tried just doesn't seem to do the job the way that I would like it to, and the shower ends up, starting to look kind of dark in the crevices of the tile. So I'm just doing a deep clean, and of course when I'm using anything like this, I make sure to wear a mask and wear gloves, keep the room highly ventilated, make sure that I wash it down, and then I do, all of my touch-ups with more natural products just to keep these types of things to a minimum and use them, a few times a year for the deep cleaning. So today I am deep cleaning the shower because it was much needed, and it looked a lot better when I was done. So it might seem like overkill for some. We always have masks around because we wear them a lot when we're doing projects on the farm. Even when I'm working with compost, I just don't like to breathe that into my lungs, so I do always wear a mask. And then gloves are just so that my hands don't, get super dry from cleaning. So now I'm done cleaning with Barkeeper's Friend. I'm just going to be cleaning with all natural cleansers moving forward in the bathroom. So I have a little bit of water on a rag, and I'm just cleaning all of the baseboards. And I like to do this whenever I notice that they're starting to get dust build up. Just go around the edge of the bathroom and clean up the edge on my knees. And I'm on the phone with my mom right now, so I'm gabbing her ear off while I clean, or I like to listen to a book. So I rent lots of books from the library, from Overdrive, which is an app where you can rent pretty much unlimited library books. So I like to listen to books on tape or Audible and clean the baseboard. I also like to clean the bottom of the bathtub, and I do this before I steam clean the floor, just so that I know the floor and the baseboards are really, really clean. And then I'm going to water all the plants in the bathroom, steam clean. I'm also going to clean the counters and just kind of do my regular cleaning routine with my natural cleansers because I don't need to do any more deep cleaning in the bathroom. It's pretty much just the shower that really needed that extra oomph. And then I'm cleaning the mirrors, and then I'll move on to the bedroom. So I do use rags to clean around my house, and I keep them in a specific spot in the laundry room, and then I wash them all together, put them back for cleaning, and so I'll use it on like baseboards, in different areas of the house. If it's a really, dirty job, I use something reusable, but for the disposable rather. But for the most part, I use rags that I can wash and use over again. And I do wash those in Clorox and then store them in my laundry room. Today is also laundry day, so I like to clean all of the bedding. And the boys' room was in need of a clean, so I just set up the camera and you can see there. I was cleaning Oliver's bedding. Also, this window, I was literally trying to clean this window for a solid 20 minutes. I just could not get the streaks. But yeah, their room gets really, really super duper messy, and they usually clean it almost every single day. And then my mom sent them a package with some popcorn, and so they got popcorn all over the room. So they were helping me vacuum, and Oliver's all over the place. I don't even know what he's doing, but yeah, they're trying to be helpful, which I'm thankful for. So cleaning up their room, and then I moved on to the schoolroom. I try to encourage Oliver to keep his schoolroom as clean and organized as possible. And then every weekend, I usually go in there and just kind of reorganize and reset the room for him so it's ready to go on Monday morning. Monday morning tends to be the hardest to wake up and get moving again, right? Because we're moving from the weekend into the school week and the work week and everything. So set out what I know is part of the curriculum for the next week, and just try to plan ahead so that we're ready to go come Monday morning and the schoolroom is organized and ready to go. That does make life so much easier so that on Monday morning we can just get up, have breakfast, and it's already clean and organized and ready to go. So then I'm going to move into the office, which is where me and Byron work. There's a little Spider-Man costume in our office. Don't know how that got in there. Spider-Man is apparently helping us. I'm going through and we're working on getting everything together for taxes this year. So we finished doing a lot of that. So I'm actually going to file all of that away. So just organize the desk. We have a few filing cabinets where we file everything. So I'm filing away the paperwork that was on the desk for 2020 taxes. Also anything in regards to home, farm, the kids, schooling, pets, all of that. It gets filed away and organized so we can access all of that paperwork. And then we can just keep our desk clean and organized and reset for the next week. I'm also organizing all of our camera lenses, which we organize in these drawers, and everything in relation to filming. Years and years ago, I'd say about 6 years ago, I bought some foam and did some cutouts that fit our lenses and our cameras for those drawers. It was a really windy day today, so perfect to be indoors, resetting everything. The dogs were sleeping on the beanbag in the office. They take up a quarter of the office, but they like to sit there while we're working. And we have vision boards, whiteboards in our office for the farm, for our day-to-day tasks and goals around the house, things that we need to get done, things that are on the to-do list. And then every week I like to write down in my personal journal, personal goals that I have, things I need to get done. I have a PowerPoint that I need to get done on Monday for Pacific time. We have a really cool project launching soon that I'll be able to share about soon, but there's some stuff I have to finish for that. I'm also getting back into the studio this week, which is really exciting because I've been writing this year, but not really recording a lot of my music, so I'm getting back this week. I also have dentist appointments this week, some things going on with the kids' school. So just writing it down, making sure I know what's happening this week so I can kind of prepare myself for it. And then just continuing to reset by cleaning the kitchen, doing the laundry, getting everything organized so that we're ready to go come Monday morning. Look, you guys have shoes and all that stuff over here. Where's all this stuff go? It's there. So the kids were attempting to help us. Byron was sharing a funny video that he found on Instagram. He was telling me about it. And yeah, we were just trying to get the house as clean as possible, just so that we feel relieved when we wake up on Monday morning. There is nothing more stressful than waking up on Monday morning and everything's in disarray. And trust me, we've had that happen many a time. But I feel like as we're getting more into a routine, as the kids are getting older, we have learned that the weekends are a good time to kind of chill, have time with the family, and then get everything reset and pretty much do the same thing over again the next week to make sure everybody is on track. So the whole entire house didn't get a deep clean in one day, but we got most of the house clean, most of the laundry done, all the beds are cleaned, and then the last thing to do was to mop the floors. Just so that we have clean floors. And I feel a big sigh of relief because now I know that we won't have to worry about that going into the new week. So I feel like we're more prepared. And yeah, if you like these types of videos, I want to start filming them because I feel like there's something that I can always improve on and also share and hopefully inspire you to as well. So yeah. If you have any tips you'd like to share with me about resetting for the new week, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you like these types of videos, please thumbs up and I will make more of them. I have some projects that I want to do next weekend as well, so I might do another weekend reset video, but sharing some other fun ideas and some projects that I want to do around the house. Or if you want me to expound on any of the things that I did in this video, expound. Yeah, if you want to know more, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.